Dave?
Yeah.
So you would come in again after slide 23, which is when I introduce the team.
Yeah.
After that, you will take over to
What?
talk about this sessions. Yeah. So there are 3 sessions in all. You know that, right? Cracking interviews, professional communication, and corporate grooming. Yeah, you've gone through this, right, Dave?
Yeah.
No, we didn't get a chance to talk, but you know the pricing and self-paced learning and module 1, 2, 3.
Right.
And then we ask them to join, start paying now if they're interested.
Right.
Why can't I see myself? Resume. Are So hi guys, good morning. Good afternoon. I'm talking to my team here. Hi people.
Afternoon, ma'am. Yeah.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. How are we? Why are we so quiet? Yeah, you must be thinking, what should we say? Say anything.
Hello.
Yeah, that's a lot of noise.
I'm audible?
Yes, Ankit, you're audible. How are you feeling, Ankit?
Yes, ma'am. Perfectly fine.
Perfectly fine. So all well?
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Happy to hear. What about the rest? How are we? How are we doing?
Good, Simi.
All right, great. I'm good, thank you. Is Pratik in?
Yeah, he must be joining soon.
All right, so Namrata, do we by any chance, guys, do we have Tina ma'am?
No, not yet.
Mm-hmm. All right. Do we have people joined in?
Yeah, 2, 3.
2, 3 of us. All right.
Yes.
Hi. Good afternoon, everybody. The ones who have joined from the Royal Law College, from the Royal College of Law. Good afternoon to you, and thank you so much for joining. And we will wait for a few more people to join, say for another 2-3 minutes, and then we'll start. What do you think, guys? Is that okay?
Kajal, Muskan, Tribhuvan, SRK. Are you fine?
You're asking me?
No, Kajal, Muskan, and Tribhuvan has joined us. I guess they all are on mute.
So Kajal, Tribhuvan, Muskan, would you have more of your friends coming in? So that we can start then.
Simi, just on the invite mail, has it resent this morning again?
The one to everybody?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
So the people who are here from Royal College, I would like to say a hello to you. Hi, would you like to introduce yourself? Hi guys, the people who are here from Royal College, hello, hi. Would you like to introduce yourself? May I know your name, please? Anybody? Hi, Tribhuvan. Tribhuvan, okay, which stream are you from?
I'm from LLB, ma'am.
Okay, sure. Who else is here from Royal College? Yeah, Tribhuvan, who are the other? Yeah, hi, who's this?
Ma'am, Kajal Singh.
Kajal, hi. Hello.
Yes.
Thank you for
Hi, ma'am.
joining. Who else is here? So we have Kajal, we have Tribhuvan, Muskan. SRK, would you like to introduce yourself?
Hello, ma'am. Muskan.
Hello, Muskan. Thank you for joining. SRK, would you like to introduce yourself?
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Yeah, my name is Shahrukh Khan from District Hapur, practicing in Session Code Hapur.
Okay, you are practicing right now in the session code. Did I hear that you are practicing in session code? Okay, SRK, what's your name, please?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing practicing. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what's your name? So I guess there's a network issue. Guys, whoever have joined in, if you have not filled in the registration form, if you've come through the registration form, good. If you have not filled in the registration form, then there's going to be a link which is going to be there in the chat box. Please put in your attendance there. And this attendance will be given to your college, to your principal and to your teachers. So if you could please put in your attendance there.
The form is in the chat box. It's named attendance form. Please fill it.
So I guess I'm going to start. Yeah. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Simi Kocher Sachdeva. I represent a company called CAM Training Services. We are based out of New Delhi, South Extension. मैं English और Hindi दोनों में बात करूंगी so that everybody is comfortable. Now, this company, the company which I represent, it's a corporate training company. So we are into behavioral skills, IT trainings, functional trainings, domain trainings, and communication trainings for corporates as well as for educational institutes. So हम corporates में भी train करते हैं और educational institutes में भी train करते हैं. Now, because I'm talking about educational institutes and I am in a university right now, I'm talking to a college. So हम कॉलेज में कौन सी ट्रेनिंग्स करते हैं, आई विल टेल यू अबाउट दोज, एंड एक सेशन उस ट्रेनिंग का हम अभी करेंगे. सो जो यहाँ आए हैं एंड जो आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को बुला सकते हैं, द सेशन विल स्टार्ट. सेशन इंटरव्यू स्किल्स पे स्टार्ट होगा अनदर 5 मिनट्स में. So, आप जितने अपने फ्रेंड्स को बुला सकते हैं जो ज्वाइन करना चाहे, जो देखना चाहे कि हम इंटरव्यू स्किल सेशन कैसे करेंगे और उससे क्या चेंज होगा. नाउ ये तो था मेरी कंपनी के बारे में. नाउ अबाउट मी. सो आई हैव बीन इन दिस इंडस्ट्री फॉर द लास्ट 24 years. 24 साल से मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रही हूँ. आई स्टार्टेड एज अ टीचर. आई वाज अ टीचर फॉर 13 years. 13 साल तक मैं एक इंग्लिश टीचर थी. Then I became a communication trainer with Convergys. आपने नाम सुना होगा Convergys का. So I was a communication trainer with Convergys, and then I started heading the language domain. Language domain की head बनी फिर मैं Hero Honda के साथ, जो अब Hero है, पहले Hero Honda था. Earlier there was a merger. So उनका language domain में head कर रही थी, and उसके बाद camp training services start किया. कैंप ट्रेनिंग सर्विसेज में 13 साल से हम कॉर्पोरेट्स की ट्रेनिंग करते हैं, और जैसे मैंने कहा यूनिवर्सिटीज और कॉलेजेस में ट्रेनिंग्स करते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ट्रेनिंग्स आर वी डूइंग in the universities? We will talk about it. Next slide, please. Guys, I am talking to you people. आप लोग कॉलेज में हैं. हम लोग कॉलेज के बारे में बात करते हैं क्विकली, और ये देखते हैं कि कॉलेज में हमें क्या प्रॉब्लम्स, कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स को क्या प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं. बहुत लंबा लेक्चर मुझे नहीं देना है, आपसे 2 टुक बात करनी है. आप मुझे बताएं क्या ये प्रॉब्लम्स आप फेस करते हैं. डू यू फेस दीज प्रॉब्लम्स इन योर लाइव्स? व्हेन यू आर इन कॉलेज, डू यू फेस दीज प्रॉब्लम्स? क्या हम ये प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करते हैं? लाइक व्हाट? स्टेज फ्राइट, स्टेज पे जाने में डर, इंटरव्यूज क्रैक नहीं कर पा रहे, कुछ बोलना चाह रहे हैं और बोल नहीं पा रहे. इंटरव्यूज में जब होते हैं तो आइडियाज होते हैं, बट उसको बोलते वक्त हम रुक जाते हैं, वर्ड्स नहीं मिलते, सेंटेंसेस नहीं मिलते. डज दैट हैपन? देन लोगों से बात करते वक्त वी डोंट हैव कॉन्फिडेंस. हमारी ब्रोकन इंग्लिश है, ये भी एक प्रॉब्लम है. हमारी इंग्लिश बहुत फ्लुएंट नहीं है, ब्रोकन इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं. देन राइट, यू नो व्हाट टू से बट यू कांट स्पीक. ये प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. हम इन्हीं प्रॉब्लम्स को डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे, इन्हीं प्रॉब्लम्स को रिमूव कैसे करना है. विल डू अ सेशन. उसके बाद आप इंटरेस्टेड हो, अगर आपको लगे कि ये चीजें आप करना चाहोगे, हम गारंटी करते हैं, देन वी विल, यू कैन जॉइन अस. हम ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स क्यों, इन सब चीजों को हम क्यों करना चाह रहे हैं? हम इंटरव्यूज क्यों क्रैक करना चाह रहे हैं? हम क्यों करना चाह रहे हैं किसी से बात करना ठीक से सीखना, ब्रोकन इंग्लिश ना हो? ये सब हम क्यों करना चाह रहे हैं गाइस? हम ये इसलिए करना चाह रहे हैं, वी ऑल नो दिस, बिकॉज हमें कैंपस प्लेसमेंट्स क्लियर करने हैं, हमें जॉब्स लेने हैं, हमें अपना ड्रीम जॉब चाहिए. जिनको जॉब मिल भी जाता है उनको फिर भी एक बेटर जॉब चाहिए, राइट? देन वी वांट टू वर्क विद टॉप कंपनीज. दैट इज व्हाट वी वांट टू डू. वी वांट टू वर्क विद टॉप कंपनीज. वी वांट अ गुड सैलरी पैकेज. हमें अच्छा सैलरी पैकेज चाहिए. या देन वी वांट एक्सीलेंट कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. स्पीकिंग स्किल्स हमारी ऐसी हो कि हमारी फॉलोइंग हो, कॉलेज में, स्कूल में, या जहां हम जाएं, कॉर्पोरेट्स में, फ्रेंड्स सर्कल में, रिश्तेदारों में, लोग हमें, हमारी तरफ देखें, हमें फॉलो करें. पीपल शुड एडमायर अस, पीपल शुड रिस्पेक्ट अस. हम चाहते हैं कि हम थोड़े पॉपुलर हो जाएं, या एंड हमारे कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स ऐसे हो जाएं दैट व्हेन वी टॉक देन पीपल शुड लिसन, हमारे पास आए. वी वांट दैट, राइट? लेट्स गो ऑन. आई विल नॉट बी टॉकिंग. मैं ज्यादा बोर नहीं करूंगी आपको बहुत ज्यादा लेक्चर देके. I would like to tell you that ये सारी problems हम correct कर सकते हैं. Simple. I will let the real people talk. So, team, do we have Parikshit Kochur in the panel right now?
Not right now.
Not right now. So let's go on. We would have some people who are from companies जो hiring करते हैं. Some hiring heads from some big companies of our country. They would be joining us, and they hire, आज कोरोना के लॉकडाउन के दौरान भी they hire 1500 to 2000 students every month. So they will tell you about their experience. Let's go on. Before that, I would have some आप ही के आई वोंट से लेवल के, आप ही के एज ग्रुप के, और जो आप लोग कर रहे हैं, आप लोग कॉलेजेस में हैं. सो आई हैव सम कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स जो हमारे साथ इंटर्न्स भी हैं, राइट? एंड उनका एक्सपीरियंस क्या है, वो क्या सोचते हैं कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स के बारे में. आई वुड हैंड इट ओवर टू देवाशीष. देवाशीष इज द मैनेजर ट्रेनिंग एंड ही विल लेट दीज पीपल टॉक. आप उनसे सुने दैट वो क्या कहना चाहते हैं अबाउट इंटरव्यू स्किल्स ट्रेनिंग्स. लेट्स गो ऑन.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. So I have my team with us. Can I have Mrinal? Mrinal is with us and he is working with us. So Mrinal, would you like to say something about the importance of communication and the interview facing skills? Because you are from a college, so would you like to hear from you?
Thank you, Devishish. So hello guys, my name is Mrinal Vij. I'm a student of Bennett University and I'm interning with CAM Training Services. So
Mrinal, can we see your face if you don't mind? And Abhishek, can we remove the PPT just so that people can look at Mrinal if you don't mind? If that's okay. Yes, Mrinal, please continue. Sorry to interrupt you. Please continue.
Yes, ma'am. Am I visible?
Yes, please.
All right. So hello guys. So my name is Mrinal Vij. I'm a student of Bennett University and I'm interning with CAM Training Services. So as Dev sir said, and as you have heard Simi ma'am saying it many times, that communication is important. And I would like to stress on that point that yes, it is pretty important, you know, and especially when you're sitting down for interviews. Now, what happens is that that after this COVID lockdown and everything, okay, so we will see a certain shift in the normal procedure in which the interviews are being conducted. So people are now stressing more on group discussions and then going on to the personal interviews. And let me tell you, communication is the number one key when you're you know, sitting down for a group discussion, GD rounds, because then they select only the best candidates who have a good spoken English command, a good command in English, and you know, who can put their points very neatly, very cleanly, and you know, just what can you say? Just grab the attention of the audience with whatever they say. So in that aspect, yes, communication is very important, you know, because you need to clear that GD round first and then get on to the personal interview. And when you go on to the personal interview, it's not all rainbows and daisies over there, right? Because then they start digging into your life. Then they start asking you questions like, you know, tell me about yourself. Why do you want to join this internship? So if you have all of these answers and if they're in your head but you're unable to communicate, that's where the problem lies, and that's when the interviewer thinks that okay, we must have made a mistake. So
all right, thank you so much, Mrinal. Thank you for your input. Thank you. Dave, do we have somebody else who would like to speak very quickly?
I would want Nehal also to speak.
Hi, thank you, sir. Can you all hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, we can.
So very quickly, I am Nehal Jain. I'm a student of Shivnanda University and I'm also interning with CAM Training Services right now. So the basic thing about interview cracking and communication skill that I have myself felt. So, you know, we all think that I know English, or I'm in university, I can talk to people, I can do this, I can do that. But honestly, I'm an English student right now. And honestly, after joining CAM, I realized that how important communication skills are and how different they are from learning English. You might know English, however, once you get to learn the communication skills, then you get that edge. You can go crack those interviews. You know, apart from knowing the technical part of the interviews, you need to have that confidence, that personality, so that even the interviewers don't know you, right? So you need to make that first impression to sort of get their attention, attract them, that they see that yes, this person is different. Because in this world, no matter whether it is a job interview, it is making friends or whatever, till the time a person sees that yes, you are different, you will not be able to make a difference.
Thank you, Nehal. Thank you so much. Right, Dave, do we have somebody else or?
Yes, I have Ankit, and before Ankit speaks, I just want to give the background. When I spoke with Ankit, he said that, sir, I can't speak English very well, but I can speak in Hindi. I said, no worries, at least speak something. Then he said that, sir, let me try. I think the try word brings the confidence from him. So let's hear him, that what Ankit has to say. Ankit, let's talk.
Yeah, so thank you, sir. So hello, guys. I'm Ankit Raj, and I'm currently working with CAM Training Services as an intern. And I'll say I got this job, I'll say on the basis of my communication skills anyway. So we are talking about interviews, right? So I'll say interviews are similar like sales. So basically, interviewer are our customer, and we are having the product, and we have to convince them to buy our product. So this is what sales guy do, right? So the one of the most important part of sales is communication. If you are having a good communication, you will be able to convince the customer, right? So this is all about the interview thing. You have to convince the interviewer to buy you basically, because you are having the product, you are having the skills which you are going to offer for those companies, right? So basically communication create a point of difference, because there are so many students in the campus who are similar to you, right? Who are having the same core knowledge. For example, you guys are from law, right? So you must be having those law core skills, which I'll say. So there are so many students in the campus who are having the same core skills, but the interviewer are looking for something different, and that communication point, it will create a point of differentiation for you, right? So interviewer will be looking for something which make you different from others. So I'll say communication is a very important part of daily life, and everyone should have this, possess this.
Ankit, I have a
Thank you.
question of you.
Yeah.
So if you say communication is so important for daily life and for interview skills के लिए communication important है, तो इसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए? आप लोग college students हैं, खुद भी. So इनके
Yeah.
लिए क्या
So
करना
as
चाहिए?
Dev sir said that I have this communication problem. Yeah, I do know English, but when it comes to speaking, I have the stage fear, which you said in starting. When it comes to speaking, I do know English, but I am afraid of like what we say it,
So what should we do about
getting
it,
stuck.
Ankit?
So basically we can learn. This is something which we can learn, right? This is not something which we basically born with the skills, right? So we can learn it. As I said, basically we
Okay.
don't get the environment from starting. So for example, where I belong, people don't speak English that much, even don't speak Hindi that much. So
आप अभी
basically,
अंकित आप
yeah,
हिंदी में भी बात करें please, if you don't mind.
yeah. सो होता क्या है कि हम इन्वायरमेंट जो हमारी होती है, हम उससे ग्रास्प करते हैं चीजें, और हमें इंग्लिश बोलने का चांस बहुत कम मिलता है. सो बेसिकली हम इसको ओवरकम करने के लिए हम क्लासेस ले सकते हैं, या बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स होते हैं, वहां से हम सीख सकते हैं जाके. एंड मैंने भी ऐसे ही सीखा. मेरी इंग्लिश बहुत वीक थी कॉलेज ज्वाइन करने से पहले, मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं बोल पाता था. एंड आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग कॉलेज, मेरे कॉलेज में बहुत सारी ऐसी कम्युनिकेशन क्लासेस स्टार्ट करी गई थी, जिससे मुझे बहुत हेल्प हुआ एक्चुअली. So I'll say कि classes ले सकते हैं communication improve करने के लिए communication skills. Yeah, that's it.
Simi, you are
Hello.
on mute. Simi, you are on mute. Not yet, not yet. We are not able to hear you.
You're not audible now.
These are the people, ये college students हैं, और इनका experience ये है कि interviews को crack करने के लिए communication. Let's go back to the PPT, Abhishek. Thank you. And now I will hand over. I will not इसके बारे में इंटरव्यू स्किल्स कितने जरूरी हैं, जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं हम बात कर चुके हैं, जो गोल्स हमारे हैं वो हम बात कर चुके हैं. इसको अगर हमें रीच करना है तो हमें इंटरव्यू स्किल्स का सेशन लेने चाहिए. आप मुझसे लें, आप किसी से लें. But let's see. I'm going to introduce you now to Devashish Paul. He is a trainer with us with 17 years in the industry. He has trained 1.5 lakh people, and he's handling a team of approximately 500 trainers. Abhi he will do a part of a session on interview skills for us to see. Yeah, for us all to see कि हम क्या कर सकते, कौन से sessions हमारे कैसे होंगे. Let's start, Dev.
All right, hi, good afternoon, Royal College. How are you all doing? Respond on the chat box. अच्छा, मुझे hi नहीं सुनना, कुछ और सुनना. Let's do something different. Hi, Royal College. Can we say hi to each other? Let me first say hi to everybody. Okay. All right. I can't hear people saying hi to me. Hi everybody. Tribhuvan, hi. SRK, hi. Hello, Fadil, hello. Ulafsha, hi. Okay, so let's begin, guys. So this session is all about interview facing and how do you want this session? You want hi, good afternoon, everyone. So you want me to talk and you listen, or you also interact with me and we make it interactive? What do you want? I talk and you listen, or only you type and I listen? I read. What do you want? Do you want interactive? Say just yes or no. Do you want interaction? Okay, now because you guys are not saying anything to me, then I will say it. Yes. I SRK. What's your complete name? SRK. I remember it's Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, so let's begin. So let's do an activity. The activity is that the moment you hear the word interview, what comes to your mind? So the word comes to your mind, you can write it on the chat box. The moment you hear the word interview, what comes into your mind? And you can write that word in the chat box. And you have 30 seconds. And your time starts now. Qualification, okay. All right, okay. Tribhuvan, thank you. Can I have more from the team? Confidence, nervousness, all right, brilliant. Wow. More words, you have got another 15 seconds. Come on, what do you hear? What comes to your mind the moment you think about interview? Even my team can also give their inputs. How to leave a good impact. Wow, thanks Uttam. Okay. Salman. Perfect, another 5 seconds we have. Let me hear some more inputs from you when you hear the word interview. How to make the first impression, good job. How to grab the job, yeah, come on, very good. Thank you. Perfect, thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing your information. So before we talk about what is interview and before we talk about how to crack the interview, first let's change our mindset. That's the biggest thing in our head that, oh my God, interview means nervousness. Interview means fear. Interview means strict interviewers. Interview means a lot of questions. Let's change this mindset. Please understand, interview is all about sharing and sharing your skills to the other person, telling the other person who you are, telling the other person how can you be an input to their company? How can you be a productive to their company? So interview is not scary, guys. Don't take it as a scary word. It is a conversation between people, wherein they are sitting there to choose the best and you are there to give him the best. First of all, let's not be scared of it. As an opportunity to share your skills, to share your knowledge with the other person. Cool? And you give your best shot in the interview. अगर वो आपको select करते हैं, great. अगर वो आपको select नहीं करते हैं, then that will be their loss. Go with that attitude. Go with that preparation. You should be ready with your entire skills, your resume, your questions, your grooming part, your body language, everything should be all set. जिससे कि जब आप वहाँ जाओ और जब आप उस रूम को छोड़ के निकलो तो आप ये ना बोलो कि सर हमने अपना बेस्ट शॉट नहीं दिया. Give your best shot. उसके बाद कंपनी आपको हायर करती है, great. नहीं करती है तो no problem. There will be another company waiting for you. I remember when I started my career, I got a lot of rejection. Did I stop? Did I stop giving interviews? No, I did not stop giving interviews. I still gave interviews, and one day I cracked it. And good that we are facing rejection, because rejection से हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. Let's begin. Let's start, guys. Interview. Now there are a lot of things in interview facing skills. I don't have much time. I will just tell you two things about two important skills of interview facing skills. One is your body language. Second one is your how to handle interview questions. Guys, one question to you. हम लोग TV देखते हैं. We all watch TV. And हम लोग इतने सारे products देखते हैं. For example, deodorants. There are so many deodorants in the market. पर जब हम उस प्रोडक्ट को देखते हैं, उस डिओड्रेंट को देखते हैं, और हम इतने खुश हो जाते हैं उस डिओड्रेंट को देख के, उसकी प्रेजेंटेशन को देख के, उसके एडवर्टीजमेंट को देख के इतने खुश हो जाते हैं, और इतने उसकी इंप्रेशन हमारे दिमाग में इतनी स्ट्रांग हो जाती है that we go to the market and we look for that exact product. Sir, हमें ये प्रोडक्ट चाहिए क्योंकि इसकी खुशबू बहुत अच्छी है. I remember Axe deodorant, उसमें ये था कि the moment you put the deodorant, आपके आजू बाजू बहुत सारे लोग आने लगते हैं, and उस कारण मैंने Axe बहुत बार खरीदा. But the point is Axe खरीदना? No, the point is that presentation जो मेरे दिमाग में रहा. Similarly, guys, interview में position एक है. There is only one position. Just remember this. There's only one position, and there are so many candidates standing. Your presentation, your impression should be so strong that company should say, I want this guy only. मुझे और कोई नहीं चाहिए, मुझे ये ही चाहिए. Now for that क्या करना है? Let's do that. Let's start. The moment you knock the door and the moment you enter the door, your interview begins there. Let's see, guys, how many times, if the door is closed, tell me how many times you should be knocking the door. Quickly. Shall I knock the door once? So if this is my door, shall I knock the door once? Or shall I knock the door 2 times? Or shall I keep on knocking the door till the time the other person is frustrated? Tell me, how do you want to knock the door?
2 times, sir.
Twice, okay. Shahrukh? Rinal says twice, okay. Absolutely, guys. So when you are about to enter, you should always first knock the door 2 times. Why? Because you are telling the other person that I'm ready to enter now. And if you knock the door 5 times, 6 times, that shows your desperation, and we don't have to show our desperation. Okay, so be calm and composed on the other side of the door. Then you enter. You open the door. And the moment you open the door, you say the word, may I come in? Now that sentence can create the impression, and that sentence can break the impression. Let's see how. May I come in? May I come in, sir? Now, if you say, may I come in, sir, they will exactly say, okay, please come in. But the first impression is broken then and there. You have not said the first impression. May I come in, sir? Thank you, sir. No. So you will be saying, may I come in, sir? Thank you. How is it different, Dave? May I come in, bolu? Or may I come in, bolu? How does it make difference? It makes difference because your voice shows confidence. Your voice shows confidence. Knock the door twice. May I come in, sir? And then you enter. Now, when you enter, you walk. Your walk plays an important role. अगर आप आ रहे आराम से, minutes लेते हुए, hours लेते हुए, that will not make sense. You have to walk a little fast. Your shoulders should be straight. If you can see, your shoulders should be straight. And when you walk, you look towards the interviewer. You don't look down. The world is right in front of you. You look at the world, and then you walk. Then you walk, you have the chair to sit. A lot of people, they go to the chair and they sit. Okay, batna tha bat gaye. No, you first stand there for seconds, and then you greet. Good morning, sir. My name is Dave. I'm here for interview. Good morning, sir. My name is Dave. I'm here for interview. Why it is important, Dave? Understand, interviewers, they interview so many people every day. But that person who is coming in smartly, standing in front of the chair and saying, good morning, sir. My name is Dave. I'm here for interview. They will remember that एक ने तो at least अपना नाम बोला, because there's so many names in front of them and they don't remember. I don't remember when I go for interviews that कितने लोगों से मिला मैं. लेकिन I remember that person who comes and say, good morning, sir. And also they know my name. They say, good morning, Dave, sir. My name is Rahul. I'm here for interview. That means you should know your interviewer's name. Know your interviewer's name and take the name. There is no harm. You please take the name. If you know the complete name, Devashish Paul, then you say, hello, Mr. Paul. My name is Rahul. I'm here for an interview. And then they will make you sit. Now, when you sit, you never sit on the edge of the chair. Usse kya hoga, sir? If this is your chair, if you can see my hand, if this is your chair, you don't sit on the edge. You sit completely on the chair. Why? Because There you are comfortable. That's your cocoon. That's your own world. वहां पर आपको बैठ के पूरा interview questions handle करना होगा. Let's see, body language. I will not be able to do complete body language, but let's talk about this face. This face is important, guys. Very important. Tell me, how do I look if I make this face? How do I look if I frown? This is called frowning. A lot of people, they make this face while talking in the interview room. How do I look when I make this face? I look very frustrated. I look very tired. I look very not interested. Confused. Namrata says confused, right, Namrata? And if I make this face and I say, yeah, I'm confident, he will say, okay, if you're confident, then why this face? So this eyebrows should be relaxed. This eye, your eyes should talk. It should be big, twinkling, and make eye contact. And when you make eye contact, your eye contact starts from here, from the forehead, and it ends here and nowhere else. A lot of people, when they do eye contact, they look at the top and they go to the shirt button, then they go to the pocket, they go to the belt, and I don't know where all they go. And that makes the other person totally uncomfortable. Let's not make people uncomfortable. So अगर आपके सामने 3 लोग बैठे हुए हैं panel interviews, then आप panel A, panel B, panel 3 सबको देखेंगे एक साथ. You have to make eye contacts with them. Smile. You have to have genuine smile. Let's see what is not a genuine smile. I will just say, my name is Dev. I'm from Delhi. Let's see if I'm sounding good and looking good. My name is Dev. I'm from Delhi. मेरा नाम देव है और मैं दिल्ली से हूँ. अगर आप ऐसे बात करेंगे तो वो भी आपको सुनेंगे, आप भी अपना बोलते रहेंगे, उसके बाद बोलेंगे प्लीज जा सकते हैं आप, और फिर आप आके बोलेंगे कि सर हमें सिलेक्ट नहीं किया गया. But if you speak with your smiling face, you will say, hi, my name is Dev and I'm from Delhi. इससे क्या होगा? इससे ये होगा कि आप एक रूम में एक pleasant environment create कर देंगे. And कहा जाता है जब आप खुद मुस्कुराते हैं, then आप सामने वाले के चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट ला देते हैं. But a lot of people say that, sir, मैं तो smile कर रहा था पर interviewer smile नहीं कर रहे थे. Let not think about them. If they're not smiling, let them not smile. But you keep the smile on your face. Yeah. So eyes twinkling, eye contact, no staring. आप stare नहीं करेंगे किसी के चेहरे को. Face glowing, head nodding. When you are talking and when you are listening, very important. When you are listening, you will nod your head. Yeah, you will nod your head. Hands. Let's see. Your hands are very important, team. A lot of people say use your hands. Use your hands while talking. But how to use your hands? I have seen people talking like this. My name is Dev. I'm from Delhi. This is called closed hand movement. This is very important, guys, because if you show your open hand movement, then you are building trust. You are showing the other person that what I'm saying is absolutely correct. So how can you have open body language? Your open hand movement will be like this. So when you are talking, you always talk like this. Your palm should be open. This thing should be open. Keep it in front of your interview and talk. Yes, sir. My name is Dev, and I did this. And tomorrow, when I do it again, I will surely be able to prove myself. Prove myself. You keep your hand open. This is called open. Keep it like this. Talk like this. Not like this. Because when you talk, you are not convinced of what you are saying. Keep your hands open. Talk. Open. Open. When I talk, I keep my hands open. I always use my hand. I keep it open. That's why people, they listen to me. And they trust me what I'm saying. So you have to open it. Cross hands. A lot of people, they sit with their cross hands. Let me show it to you nicely. Cross hands. No, we will not be using cross hands. We will not be crossing our hands, because that shows that whatever you are saying or whatever your interviewers are saying, you are not accepting it. That's why you are saying no and you are crossing. Let's not do it. Open hand. Hi, my name is Dev. I'm from Delhi. Sure. Okay. Handshake. Oh my God, that is so scary. Handshake. Guys, हम handshake क्यों करते हैं? Why do we do handshake? क्या होगा उससे? Lot of college people say that कि हमें बोला गया कि handshake करो, हम handshake करेंगे. Is it that आपको बोला गया इसलिए या फिर handshake से कुछ बहुत important चीज हो सकता है? Quickly, tell me why we do handshake. Come on. I'm waiting. Guys, interview में you can't take so much of time. You need to be very fast. It's like playing badminton. Shuttle आपके court में, आप shuttle को hit करेंगे और मेरे court में आप throw करेंगे. Can I hear from you why we do handshake? Handshake? Okay, all right, no problem. Show our confidence. Thank you, Namrata. Okay, great. Welcoming, yeah, absolutely. When you tell people that, okay, I'm happy to meet you. I'm here to spend my time with you interviewers. I'm here to present myself. Then you show your happiness. But handshake can be very, very confusing. Let's see how. This is my one hand. This is my second hand. A lot of people, they do handshake by touching this. Okay, I'm happy to meet you. Nope, that's wrong. A lot of people, they will break your hand. Ow, that's called your bone crusher. It happened with me. I was interviewing somebody before lockdown. Thank God, thank you, lockdown. At least I'm not meeting the bone crushers. So this guy, he came, he go, hello, sir, very masculine. He came, hello, sir. I said, okay. And he did handshake with me. Sir, glad to meet you. And he did the handshake for good 1 minute. And then after a while, I said, okay, all right, thank you. And then I left the hand. And then I was like, okay, thank you that you did the handshake. So Dave, what are you saying? Should we not do the handshake? Definitely, guys, do the handshake. Trust me, you can go and do handshake with a woman interviewer also. They will not feel bad about it, but you know how to do it. Let's see. That's your hand. That's your hand. This is your interviewer hand. That's called web. This is called your web. ये हमारी luck line है यहाँ पर. इसको use करो. This is luck line. Use करो. You keep the palm like this. Your web and the other person's hand's web should match like this. Then you lock it, locked, and then you do the handshake. This shows that contract signed. I am happy, you are happy, we all are liking each other, we both are liking each other, let's start. And when you do handshake, remember, just for 7 seconds, that's it. 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you leave. Cool? Bright face, eye contact, smile, shoulder straight, open hand, yeah? And do the smart handshake. No bone crusher and no fish handshake. Cool? Done? Great. Very quickly. Grooming is also a part of your non-verbal communication, guys, because grooming says everything to you. Tell me, if I say, guys, I'm your trainer, and if I keep my buttons open like this, and if I say, guys, I'm your trainer, would you trust me? Yes and no. If I keep my buttons open, and if I keep my shirt like this, and you say, guys, I'm your trainer, would you trust me? Of course, you will trust me because trust karna hi hoga abhi, kyunki sir hai. Lekin, would I sound convincing and confident? Yes or no? If I keep it like this and sit in front of you, am I looking professional? Tell me. Look at me closer. Am I looking professional? No, I'm not. Absolutely, Kajal. Thank you so much. You answered. No. Your sense of dressing talks everything about your personality, guys. Yeah? What to wear, what not to wear, you'll come to know it very soon when you join our classes. We will tell you what color to wear. Matching tie. How to tie a tie. What shoes, what trousers, what fabric. Interview in the evening, interview in the morning. What should I wear? What should I wear during the winter season? What should I wear during the summer season? Sir, if I am taking video conferencing interview, then what should I wear? If I have British complexion, then what should I wear? Everything, all the answers will be given to you guys. But remember, grooming is a part of your non-verbal communication. Very quickly, guys, tell me, your belt should match with, come on, guys, come on.
Shoes.
Your belt should match with?
Shoes.
Mrinal says shoes. Okay, how many people say trousers? I say trousers. Come on, trousers, trousers. Come on, shoes. Nehal says shoes. Okay. Shah Rukh Khan says shoes. Okay, brilliant, brilliant. And the rest, if you're not saying it, I will think that you don't know it. Perfect, great. At times you should not know the answers as well. हम लोग की job थोड़ी easy हो जाती है. Absolutely, guys. Mrinal and Nehal, you know it because you guys took that session from me, that your belt should match with shoes. Nehal and Mrinal, I know them personally because they took communication and interview facing a capsule training from us long time ago. So that's how I know them. So yes, guys, your belt should match with your shoes. Cool. बहुत कुछ है वो हम जरूर सीखेंगे in our next classes. Done. That's your body language. Let's quickly talk about questions, answers, handling. Oh my God, that can be really challenging. Let's see how can we face this challenge, guys. हम ये सब बात इसलिए कर रहे हैं, आप भी वहां बैठ के मुझे सुन रहे हो, मैं भी इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि it's very important. अगर आपको सूरज की तरह बनना है ना, तो सूरज की तरह पहले जलना सीखो. एंड हम तब सीखेंगे जब हम थोड़ा इन्वेस्ट करेंगे अपने ऊपर. I know that there is money to everything, but trust me, if you don't spend a little amount today, then that huge amount will not ever come in. Before I got into training, I worked on my training skills, and today, thank God that I'm working with this organization because I can speak with 600 people. And I don't know whether Simi remembers or not. I always used to tell her that Simi, एक दिन ना मुझे ना सब 600-700 लोगों से ना बात करनी है. And आज वो हो रहा है. So that means जब आप कुछ चीज सोच लेते हो ना, उसको आप रोज सोचते रहोगे ना, वो होके ही रहेगा. Interview क्या, anything will come to you. 1 lakh की salary, 60,000 salary, 50,000 salary, 40,000 salary. You think about it. It will happen. I tell you, it will happen. मैंने सोचा था कि मुझे 100 लोगों से 200 लोगों से एक बार स्टेज में बात करनी है, और आज वो स्टेज मुझे मिल गया है. Okay, great. Interview questions. Now there will be a lot of questions, and trust me, वही same question सबसे पूछा जाएगा. क्यों? हमारे पास questions नहीं है? No. We are looking at कि आप उस answer को कैसे कर, उस question का जवाब कैसे देते हैं. How you answer that question. Yeah. So let's see. आजकल interviews में behavioral questions पूछे जाते हैं. Behavioral means आपको situations दिया जाएगा और उस situation में आप कैसे जवाब दोगे वो आपसे पूछा जाएगा. वो आपके skills को check किया जाएगा. To be very honest, चलो मैं आपकी language में बात करता हूँ. इतने सारे colleges को पढ़ाया हुआ है, मानव रचना, शारदा यूनिवर्सिटी, Amity, and सबके पास सब questions के answers हैं. Self introduction, tell me about yourself, weakness, strength, सबके पास है, and सबने prepare करके रखा है. अच्छा, good, very good. That's the second level that you should prepare yourself. But now companies are giving you behavioral question क्योंकि वो देखना चाहते हैं कि how do you react, how do you respond. कंपनी ने कल आपको टीम लीडर की पोजीशन में लिया या प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर की पोजीशन में लिया, they should be able to see कि क्या ये कैंडिडेट हैंडल कर पाएगा क्या नहीं. Let's see. Question is, tell me about a time where you have showed ownership and responsibility. एक ऐसे समय की बात कीजिए जहां पर आपने responsibility and ownership दिखाई है. ये आपके पास सवाल आएगा. पहला आंसर. Listen to this answer, guys, and tell me whether it's good or bad. Okay, Dave, tell me about the time where you showed ownership and responsibility. Sure, sir. I showed my ownership and responsibility in my college, and I was appreciated. Is it good or bad? Come on, good or bad? Is this answer good or bad? Come on, good, bad, guys. You can say good as well. Nehal says bad. Nehal, I hate you for this. Okay, come on, good or bad? Ankit says bad. Muskan says bad. Okay, great that you know this is bad. But then Dave, what is the best way to say it then? I'll give you a technique. The technique is called the STAR technique. Guys, actually the point is I don't use PPTs because मुझे PPT से training करना समझ ही नहीं आता. I always show it because जो आप देखते हो ना वो हमेशा याद रहता है. Yeah. So So the point is, अगर आपसे कोई ये पूछता है कि ऐसा कुछ समय बताइए जहां पर आपने अपना रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड ओनरशिप दिखाई है, देन वहां पर हम एक टेक्निक यूज करते हैं जिसे कहते हैं स्टार टेक्निक. मैं चैट में लिख रहा हूँ स्टार टेक्निक, STAR, star technique. Star means S, situation, S situation. T means task, A means action, and R means result. It's in the chat box, you can read it. Star. अगर आपसे पूछा जाए, tell me about the time where you have shown responsibility and ownership, तब आप ये star use करेंगे. कैसे? आप बोलेंगे सिचुएशन. ऐसा कौन सा सिचुएशन? पहले आप सिचुएशन के बारे में बोलेंगे, देन आप बोलेंगे आपका रोल एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या था उस सिचुएशन में, जिसे कहते हैं आपका टास्क क्या था उस सिचुएशन में, आपने क्या एक्शन लिया एंड उसे रिजल्ट किया हुआ. लेट्स सी द आई विल से द बेस्ट आंसर. नो, लेट्स सी द करेक्ट आंसर. So when I was working with the college, जब मैं कॉलेज के साथ काम कर रहा था तो मैं एक प्रोजेक्ट हैंडल कर रहा था जहाँ पर हमें हमारा कॉलेज फेस्ट हैंडल करना था. सिचुएशन, टास्क, माय जॉब वाज टू डू मार्केटिंग, जहाँ पर मुझे फेसबुक प्रमोशन करना था. दैट्स माय रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. एक्शन, हम लोग 4 लोग मिलके काम कर रहे थे. वी वर 4 people वर्किंग एंड मैं उसमें वर्क फ्लो बनाता था, उस पे वर्क फ्लो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करता था, मीटिंग्स हैंडल करता था, फेसबुक में फॉलोअर्स बनाता था, कौन से ग्रुप्स को ज्वाइन करना है, कौन से ग्रुप्स को नहीं ज्वाइन करना है, वो मैं दूसरों को सिखाता था. इससे मेरी ओनरशिप एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी निकल के आती है कि मैंने ओनरशिप लिया एंड अपना रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को पूरा किया. एंड उससे ये हुआ कि हमारे फेस्ट में लगभग 1500 लोगों ने अपना अटेंडेंस दिया. सो आई टॉक्ड अबाउट द सिचुएशन. कौन सा सिचुएशन था, उसमें मेरा क्या रोल था, मैंने उसमें क्या काम किया और उससे क्या काम हुआ. सो व्हेन यू यूज द स्टार टेक्निक, सामने वाला जो इंसान आपके सामने बैठा हुआ है, जो इंटरव्यूअर बैठा हुआ है, उनको पूरा का पूरा सीन दिख जाता है. आपने एक मूवी ट्रेलर दिखा दी कि सर ये था, उसमें मेरा काम ये था, उस पे मैंने ये किया और उससे ये हुआ. You build trust. You showed that I have what you are looking for. Always remember guys, इंटरव्यू में इंटरव्यूअर ये देख रहा है कि क्या इस बंदे में वो स्किल है कि नहीं, और आपका जॉब है कि क्या मैं इंटरव्यूअर को अपना वो स्किल दिखा रहा हूँ कि नहीं. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, जो दिखता है गाइज वो बिकता है. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, और जो दिखा नहीं वो कभी नहीं बिका. मानते हो ग्रेट, नहीं मानते हो तो एक दिन मानोगे. या सो दैट वाज गाइज इंटरव्यू फेसिंग स्किल्स. बहुत कुछ है. रेज्यूमे कैसे बनाते हैं, क्या पहनना है सर, कैसे डॉक्यूमेंट्स को अरेंज करना है सर, और कैसे आंसर्स को बेहतर बना सकते हैं सर. इंटरव्यू में हम इंप्रेशन को लास्टिंग कैसे बना सकते हैं. ऐसे कुछ चीजें हैं जो हमें गूगल में नहीं मिलेगा. वो चीजें हम एक्सपीरियंस से लाते हैं. You will share your experience, I will share my experience, and from that experience we will bring out another technique to crack. And हमेशा याद रखना guys, लाइफ में ना कभी पछतावा मत रखना. ऐसा कुछ कर जाओ जिससे कि कल जब आप ना हो तो लोगों को पछतावा हो. टेक योर इंटरव्यू सो गुड, इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म करो दैट कंपनी ने अगर आपको नहीं हायर किया तो कंपनी को ये लगना चाहिए कि यार गलती कर दी. Yeah, with that in mind guys, do well, stay safe, and don't be scared of interview because it's all your attitude. बिल्कुल तैयारी करके जाओ. We are there, you are there. Go with that preparation. ठान के जाओ. होगा great, नहीं होगा no problem, another one. Cool. Before I wind up, I have an interview video for you. देखो Samjho, and if you can use it, use it. Okay? All right.
Most interviews, no matter what the industry, are designed to assess a few key areas. Professionalism.
Dev, you have to share your screen.
Oh, sorry. Very sorry. Thank you, Namrata. I was just seeing. Okay, sorry, very sorry. I forgot. Okay.
Most interviews, no matter what the industry, are designed to assess a few key areas. Professionalism, interest in the job being offered, fit for the job, including applicable skills, and personality. Here are some tips on the do's and don'ts of interviewing. Do be sure to dress appropriately for your interview. If you're a man, wear a suit. You can never go wrong with navy blue, charcoal gray, a white shirt, and a nice tie.
If you are a woman, do make sure you wear a suit to the interview. Either a skirt suit or a pantsuit is fine. Don't wear large jewelry, loud colors, or too much makeup. Don't give a limp handshake. Nice to meet you.
Do give a firm but not bone-crushing handshake. The key to a good handshake is to get the web between your thumb and forefinger fully in contact with that of the person with whom you're shaking hands. Also, don't forget to make eye contact and smile.
Great, guys. Time is money. I don't have much time, but that's how we learn. In our training sessions, we will be showing you videos, and we will be showing you a lot of demonstration, and that's how you learn. Once you join me, and once you spend some time with me for the interview sessions, and we have other capsules program as well, and we have other modules also, you will come to know a lot of things, guys. Trust me, it will be fun. Yeah. With that in mind, I am done with the session. So very quickly, guys, in like 30 seconds, tell me what would be your next step with interview facing? What is your takeaway? Takeaway means आपने ये जो 20 मिनट मुझे सुना, उससे आपको एक चीज क्या समझ आई और एक चीज आप क्या करना चाहोगे? Come on, quickly, 30 seconds. 30 seconds starts now.
Do they have to put it in the chat box?
Yeah, they have to put it in the chat box. Come on, guys.
Okay.
Hear you. Chat box. Impression is important. Perfect. Yeah, done, Kajal. हिंदी में लिखना है तो हिंदी में भी लिख सकते हैं आप कैसे लिखेंगे? इंग्लिश में आप टाइप कर सकते हैं, जो कि मुझे हिंदी में समझ में आ जाएगा. Handshake is important. Okay, very good. Okay, all right. 10 seconds. Positive attitude. Absolutely, guys. Interview is not scary. Implement STAR technique. Abhitya says, okay, great. In interviews. Perfect. All right. Good presentation. Very important, Tribhuvan. How to show confidence. All right. Great. 5 more seconds. Good dressing. Go in with that confidence. Absolutely, Abhishek. Go in with that confidence and buy their confidence. Okay, great. I think we are done. All right, thank you, guys. I will show my face again after some time.
Thank you, Devashish.
All right, thank you, Sumi.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Back to the PPT, but I will not bore you with the PPT. Guys, I will ask you, and in the chat box, if you can put it in quickly in 2 seconds, 3 seconds. How was it? How did you like this small session on interview skills? I'm asking you straight on, openly. Any comments? Anything you would like to say? Okay, Kajal, really nice. Tribhuvan, would you like to say something? SRK, would you like to say something? I want to know. I want to know. Okay. Good experience, Tribhuvan, okay? All right, we have a thumbs up by Vicky. Okay. What else? Okay, can we go back to the PPT? Now, people, so this is, ये एक snapshot था, ये एक sample था, एक sample ये जानने के लिए that हम interview skills में क्या कराएंगे, so that आप लोगों को ये ना लगे कि बहुत लोग हैं जो इंटरव्यू स्किल्स बोलते हैं, बहुत लोग हैं जो बहुत कुछ बोलते हैं. So we wanted to tell you कि हम ऐसा कुछ कराएंगे, ऐसा और ऑडियो और वीडियो और रिकॉर्डिंग और असेसमेंट्स और सब कुछ. So that किस लिए? So that कि फर्क आ सके, proper फर्क आए, so that there's a proper change. Can we see the PPT, please?
Dev sir, can you allow me to share this?
Okay, I will take you guys. जब तक की PPT set हो रही है, let us not waste time, guys. I'm talking to Royal College people and to the other participants. Tell me something. This is something that we are doing. Also, हम इसके अलावा और भी चीजें हैं जो कॉलेज में कराते हैं जो important है, like English. अब इस मौके पर, इस टाइम पे, I have the HR head of a very big company in India. The HR head who is hiring, the hiring head of a very big company, जो कि 1500 से 2000 college students आज भी hire करते हैं per month. Yeah, I welcome Mr. Parikshit Kochar. वो आपको, he will talk to you कि वो जब hire करने जाते हैं तो वो क्या ढूंढते हैं और उनका कैसा experience है.
Hello everyone. So very good afternoon to all of you. So guys, hi, my name is Parikshit Kochar, and as ma'am just introduced and told about me that I'm hiring for an organization, and we still are hiring about 1,000 to 1,500 students fresh out of college in our organization, and as I still have been taking these interviews, talking to people over the phone is the medium of the first round of interview, and Zoom is the medium for the final round of interview. तो अब ये जो interviews हम दे रहे हैं, इसमें सबसे पहले मैं ये बताना चाहूँगा, even after going to colleges and meeting so many colleges and meeting so many students from colleges across India, the biggest challenge that we face is that interview एक ऐसा समय आता है student के जीवन में जब I don't know why, but the student gets so scared sitting inside and sitting across the table with the person who's come to interview you to offer you a job. And वो समय होता है जिसकी हमें बहुत बेसब्री से इंतजार जिसका हमें होता है, जब स्पेशली जब पता हो कि ये जो इंटरव्यू लेने आए हैं ये 10 लाख का पैकेज दे रहे हैं सिलेक्शन होने पे. शुरुआती पैकेज 10 लाख रुपए का दे रहे हैं. हाथ पैर फूल जाते हैं लोगों के. People get scared. So many people know everything but they can't put it right because they are scared of losing the opportunity. So before attempting, dar pehle aa jata. And on top of it, we've been taught everything. We've learned everything. We've been taught everything about the course that we're doing, the subject that we're studying. If I talk about students that I meet from BTech के बारे में, coding के बारे में, computer science engineering जिसने किया है या mechanical किया है तो उसने mechanical के बारे में, production line के बारे में. If I ask those questions, probably they are able to answer it. But the moment I start talking about things other than that, apart from that, पता नहीं उनसे बोला नहीं जाता, उनकी ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स बहुत होने लग जाती हैं, उनका थॉट प्रोसेस नहीं रहता, फ्लो ऑफ थॉट्स नहीं आता, सवाल पूछा कुछ जाता है, जवाब कुछ और मिलता है बहुत सी दफा. ये सारी चीजें कब होती हैं? ये सारी चीजें तब होती हैं जब हमने अपनी कोर्स की तो तैयारी कर ली, बट उस कोर्स की तैयारी करने के बाद, कोर्स के लिए पढ़ने के बाद, याद करके फाइनल एग्जाम में वॉमिट करके एक अच्छा सा स्कोर तो हम ले आए, 7.8, 8.9, 9 CGPA हम ले आए इंजीनियरिंग में, लॉ में हमने बहुत अच्छे से पास तो कर लिया, बट देन वेयर एम आई गोना यूज इट? एंड फॉर यूजिंग इट, इट्स नॉट ओनली दैट, यू नो, अगर आप अपने कोर कंपनी में भी अगर आप जाते हैं या अपने काम में भी जाते हैं, आपने लॉ किया हुआ है, आप किसी फर्म में ज्वाइन करते हैं एज अ लॉयर और एज अ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टू वेरियस डिफरेंट सेक्टर्स, एंड बिकॉज हर तरह के लॉज हैं. कॉपीराइट का अलग लॉ है, उसके लिए अलग टीम ध्यान रखती है. अगर किसी को कंज्यूमरेबल प्रोडक्ट, ड्यूरेबल प्रोडक्ट है या पेरिशेबल प्रोडक्ट है, आपके प्रोडक्ट्स का क्या रिस्पॉन्स है, किसी को प्रॉब्लम हो गई आपके कस्टमर को, उसने आपकी कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुई, उसको आप मैनेज करते हैं. That is only inside the courtroom. What you're doing is going to be directly in line with what you've studied, what you've learned, and what you know as the correct thing to do. because there also you'll have to upgrade your skills on a daily basis. On a daily basis, as in you'll have to be very very conscious, और उसमें भी आपको पढ़ते रहना पड़ेगा कि कुछ amendments हुए हैं, कुछ नए laws आए हैं, कुछ नया law introduce हुआ है, corporate law अलग होता है. So हर चीज में आपको अपने आप को upgraded रखना पड़ेगा. Similarly, बात कैसे करते हैं, connect कैसे बनाते हैं. अभी मैं यहाँ पे आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ. I can't see you, right? You can see me right now. I can't even see you. So I'm actually looking at a screen and talking, right? But then if I'm not able to think it through and have the right kind of flow of what is to be talked about, how it is to be talked about, कितना तेज बोलना है, कितना धीरे बोलना है, ये सारी चीजें are very important. And if I don't know it, I will not be able to build a connect with you, right? Similarly, when you sit across the table for an interview, even though you are the topper of the college, apart from knowing only your content, you also need to know how to talk, how to build a connect, how to convince a person by the words that you're using, by the choice of words, by your body language. And all this comes under one umbrella, which is knowing how to communicate well, because communication is verbal, non-verbal, all types of. So to know more about it and to know it effectively, I would suggest that you people also give value to upskilling yourself and knowing about these facts. Because if you do that, trust me, it's going to help you a great deal. Because I go meet so many people, I end up, so many times it happens that I end up meeting about 500 students in a day, out of which I only am able to select only 25, 30 max. At times it's minimum 2, 3, and 5. Not because people are not good or they don't know their subject. They know their subject. It's just that they don't know how to connect, how to build a connect. Because anything that you'll have to do, finally, till now, we are still working with humans. So we would also know, it'll be very, very important for us to know how to build a connect with different people, because different people behave differently. And if you don't know how to build a connect with them, it's going to get difficult. And getting a job is like very, very crucial, as I understand. I'm sure you also understand. So I guess preparing yourself for this is going to be extremely important, and we should pay attention to that. So that's my take on experiences that I've had meeting kind of people, different people. So that's my suggestion, and I would want everybody to take it seriously.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Parikshit Kochhar, for your presence and for your talks. आई होप कि आप जो इंटरव्यू करते हैं और आपने जो बताया है उससे जो हमारे कॉलेज के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं यहाँ पे उनको रियलाइज हो कि कम्युनिकेशन कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है इंटरव्यू स्किल्स, इंटरव्यूज ठीक से क्रैक करना और उसके लिए कम्युनिकेशन कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है. थैंक यू सो मच.
आई बिलीव वी कैन ओनली इन्फॉर्म देम एंड वी कैन ओनली कीप देम इन्फॉर्म्ड एंड टेल देम
या
वो कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है नहीं है, दैट इज फॉर देम टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड टू एक्ट ऑन इट. सो आई होप दे एक्ट ऑन इट एंड दे सिक्योर good jobs. So all the best to all the students who are here attending this session. So all the best, and all the best to you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Right, people. So that was hiring head from a big company, and who's hiring 1,500 students to 2,000 students per month. Let's go on. I hope you liked it. And other difference that is made is by English. And why is that? And why is that, people? Very quickly, English अच्छा जानना law students के लिए, is it very important? Do you think it's very important? So I will not wait for you people to respond. अगर कोई कुछ कहना चाहे तो yeah, Mrinal says yes. So study of law, does it require a good command over English? Yes. Muskan says yes. Too much. Tribhuvan says too much, right? Okay, I'm glad कि आप लोगों को इस बात का realization है. Okay, why is that? Let's go on. सिंपली पुट गाइज, पीपीटी को ना देखें, स्लाइड को ना देखें, आप मुझसे बात करें. हम अगर इंग्लिश में ज्यादा बात नहीं करें, दैट मीन्स कि हम हायर कोर्ट्स में तो जा ही नहीं सकते. इज दैट राइट? लोअर कोर्ट्स, वी विल स्टे टू लोअर कोर्ट्स. तो जिन कंपनीज की रिप्रेजेंटेशन सिर्फ लोअर कोर्ट्स में होती है, यू कैन वेल इमेजिन कि क्या वो मीडियम स्केल कंपनीज या हाई स्केल कंपनीज तो नहीं होंगी ना. फिर वो दोज आर very low scale companies, with all due respect to them, लेकिन वो low scale companies हैं. और अगर lower courts में ही अगर आपको English नहीं आ रही है तो आप lower courts में ही जा सकते हैं. Higher courts और Supreme Court तो हम भूल ही जाए वहाँ पे represent करना अपनी companies को. Yeah, then ज्यूरी से बात करना, जज से बात करना, अपने क्लाइंट से बात करना, you would need to speak in English at that time. And if not English, then you would need how to communicate. कितने कॉन्फिडेंस से बोलना है, आई कांटेक्ट कैसा होना चाहिए, बॉडी लैंग्वेज कैसी होनी चाहिए, कितना ऊंचा बोलना है, कितना धीरे बोलना है, ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स वी वुड, आप क्या इंप्रेशन बना रहे हैं, तो ये सारा हमें सीखना होगा. या एब्सोल्युटली, बिकॉज आप जज को कन्विंस कर रहे हैं कि आपका क्लाइंट आपके क्लाइंट के फेवर में, right? And correct choice of words is all the difference that you make between right or wrong. आप win करेंगे केस या lose करेंगे, how would your judge know? How would they know? How would the jury know? By what you tell them. How would you tell them? By communication. I can't speak more on this. Let's go on. Now what about companies? Companies कौन से hire करेंगी lawyers? जो हिंदी में बात करें या जो इंग्लिश में बात करें? जिन कंपनीज का हायर कोर्ट से कोई लेना देना नहीं है और बाहर के कंट्री से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, वहां पे हमारे चांसेस हो सकते हैं. those are very lower companies, right? Let's go on. Higher courts, the companies जो हायर कोर्ट्स में प्रैक्टिस करती हैं, जिनके केसेस वहां जाते हैं, डील करती हैं, वहां के लिए वो लॉयर्स वैसे ही लेंगे जिनको इंग्लिश आती है. जो पिटिशंस बनती हैं, आई डोंट हैव टू टेल यू, आप हैं लॉ स्टूडेंट, आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट लॉ. सो जो पिटिशंस बनती हैं, सारा रीडिंग जो होता है, जो घंटों घंटों जो काम होता है, वो सब इंग्लिश में है. फॉरेन कंट्रीज में काम करना तो हम फिर भूल ही जाए अगर हमें इंग्लिश नहीं आती. एब्सोल्युटली, नो टू वेज अबाउट इट. सच है. लेट्स कॉल अ स्पेड. हमें इंग्लिश नहीं आती तो हम अच्छी कंपनीज में काम नहीं कर सकते. चॉइस इज योर्स. कंपनीज के काउंटरपार्ट्स बाहर हैं, मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज हैं या इंडियन कंपनीज जिनका मल्टीनेशनल क्लाइंट्स है, जो कि आज की डेट में सबके हैं. वी कैन नॉट वर्क इन दोज कंपनीज क्योंकि उनकी कंपनीज में लॉयर्स चाहिए होंगे जिनको इंग्लिश आती है. दैट इज व्हाई इंग्लिश इज इम्पोर्टेंट. डू यू एग्री? डू यू एग्री? Yeah, all good opportunities require English. Which are some top companies? Some top companies, ICICI Bank is hiring people at 22 to 30 lakh of rupees. Tata is our client. They are hiring 12,356 people. Infosys, they are ready to hire 18,000 freshers. But unki they need one thing, that people should clear the interviews and they should know corporate manners. They should know some corporate skills and they should be able to talk in English. Infosys, Tata, ICICI Bank. Do you think ये सिर्फ इंडिया या भारत के लोगों से बात करते हैं? Obviously not. These are multinationals. In fact, these are global national companies. So they need English and they are ready to hire this much. ये latest facts हैं, people. Let's go on. So हमारे पास आए क्यों? कहीं भी जाएं बट हमारे पास क्यों आए? I will not bore you again. PPT को ना देखें, मेरी तरफ देखें. Let's go on. So we say that trainers जो भी trainers हैं, वो आपके fly by night trainers नहीं है. 24 साल, 20 साल, 15 साल के experience के trainers जिन्होंने ऐसे कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स के साथ काम किया है इतने साल. There are 40 टेस्ट और assessments जो हम लेते हैं अपने लॉन्ग मॉड्यूल्स में. 40 टेस्ट assessments. Your continuous HR एक्सपर्ट से हम बात करवाएंगे. HR एक्सपर्ट से हम कंटिन्यूसली आपकी बात कराएंगे. इंटरव्यूज, आपके मॉक इंटरव्यूज एक्चुअल HR के लोगों के साथ we do continuously. Regular assessments and then money back. Yes people, money back. अगर आपको नहीं लगता कोई चेंज हुआ है तो आप प्लीज अपना पैसा लें. We don't want your money. क्यों? क्योंकि we are sure. Ashwini asks how what? हम how किस चीज के लिए अश्विनी? So we are doing all these things and हम money back देने को तैयार हैं. We are not here for money, we are here for people. ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग इंटरव्यूज क्रैक करें. टाटा, इन्फोसिस एंड ICICI, सिर्फ 3 नाम दिए अभी मैंने. Microsoft is also hiring. There are a lot of companies that are hiring. Why? I'll talk about that. Our trainees, हमारे trainees, ये हमारा placement record है. Genpact में हमने Genpact में HCL, Barclays, Navigant, Tata, Honda, Minda, गोदरेज, ये वो कंपनीज हैं जिनमें हमारे ट्रेनीज को जॉब्स हैं. Yes, they've got jobs in these companies. So, next slide, please. So, we can assist you to get jobs. If you do these trainings and we get to a certain level, then we can assist you to get jobs. Let's talk about, no, ये है corporates जिनके साथ हम jobs की try कर सकते हैं, करते हैं और लगवाते हैं. So we have DLF, HCL, Genpact, Honda, Hewitt, we have Minda, we have Artemis, M3M, and many such companies. Let's go on. There's a certificate जो आपको मिलेगा इस ट्रेन जो अगर आप ट्रेनिंग करते हैं उस ट्रेनिंग के बाद आपको एक सर्टिफिकेट दिया जाएगा. इट्स अ सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ कंप्लीशन दैट आपने ये ट्रेनिंग. सो एक सर्टिफिकेट है जो आप अपनी कंपनीज जहाँ इंटरव्यूज में आप दिखा सकते हैं एंड दैट विल गिव यू एन एज. यस, लेट्स गो ऑन. एंड नाउ वी आर ऑनलाइन. ऑनलाइन पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं? लेट्स गो ऑन प्लीज. गाइज ऑनलाइन हम इसलिए भी आए हैं क्योंकि कोरोना है, बट उससे पहले भी आ रहे थे. गाइज कोरोना की वजह से एक चीज मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी. आई मस्ट टेल यू, इट्स इजियर, टाइम सेविंग, यस, बट अश्विनी सिर्फ ये नहीं, कोरोना की वजह से चाइना से सारी कंपनीज चली गई हैं. आप सबको पता है. आप तो लॉ स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आप लोग न्यूज से कनेक्टेड होंगे. एंड ऑल कंपनीज आर कमिंग टू इंडिया. दिस न्यूज दैट माइक्रोसॉफ्ट हैज पुट अप देयर प्लांट इन उत्तर प्रदेश, दिस इज लेटेस्ट. This is 4 days pehle. Microsoft has put up their plant in Uttar Pradesh and they are hiring 4,000 employees in Greater Noida. Greater Noida में 4,000 employees वो hire कर रहे हैं. वो ढूंढ रहे हैं. They are going to colleges. They are looking for students. Obviously, Microsoft, they want great interview skills and they want great communication. अगर ये दो हैं हमारे पास, so this is an opportunity. And ऐसे ही there are many more companies that are coming in. We have talked about the companies. We have talked about, मैंने CAM का बता दिया. ये कोर्स क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है ये आप सबको हम इससे ज्यादा नहीं बता सकते. बट अगर आप ये कोर्स करेंगे आपको जॉब बहुत इजीली मिलेगी. नॉट ओनली दैट, वी विल हेल्प यू टू गेट अ जॉब. ये हमारे ट्रेनर्स हैं. ये सिर्फ इसलिए दिखाया जा रहा है ताकि आपको पता हो कि सर्टिफाइड हैं, साइकोमेट्रिक सर्टिफाइड हैं, साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैं, NLP प्रैक्टिशनर्स हैं, एजुकेटेड पीपल हैं, मैनेजमेंट पीपल हैं. या दे आर नॉट जस्ट एनीबडी. 15 साल के एक्सपीरियंस से ऊपर है सबका एक्सपीरियंस. लेट्स गो ऑन. लेट्स गो ऑन. सो यू आर डीलिंग विद प्रोफेशनल्स एंड नाउ आई विल कॉल देव. मैंने बहुत देर बात करी आपसे. देव विल टेक यू थ्रू आवर मॉड्यूल्स. अब आप मॉड्यूल्स के बारे में सुन लें कि हमारे मॉड्यूल्स क्या क्या है. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पीपल, ये मॉड्यूल्स हैं, छोटे मॉड्यूल, बड़े मॉड्यूल, एंड देन आप डिसाइड करें. लेट्स गो ऑन. देव, ओवर टू यू. Dave, you're on mute.
Okay, hi people, good afternoon. I'm back again. So these are our modules. I was talking about कि हमारे modules बहुत सारे हैं. These are right there, cracking interviews. Then you have professional communication, which is your capsule course and detailed course. And we have corporate grooming and culture. Cracking interviews, you will come to know exactly how to crack interviews. And in professional communication, you will know exactly what to say in a professional setup. And corporate grooming will be the grooming which you are required to show in your corporate sector. And not only in corporate sector, in personal life also, how grooming plays an important role, that will be covered. This is our program details. We have cracking interviews, which is where we have 5 sessions, 1 hour each. If you enroll today means now. If you enroll now, then you get a discounted amount, which is $499. It's a total amount. It's a total fee for the capsule course, cracking interviews, $499. Professional communication capsule course is again 5 sessions, 1 hour each. And it is also again a discounted amount if you join now today, which is $499. All these classes will be live classes. And what are live classes? You know it, you just saw the specimen. Aise hi hoga. Professional communication, which will be a detailed course, which is wherein you will have 24 sessions. You will be spending 24 sessions with us, 1 hour each. It will be through Zoom, wherein you will be learning with our trainers. Wherever you have questions, आप questions पूछ सकते हैं. जो ना समझ में आए आप उसको 10 बार पूछिए, डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन के साथ सीखिए, and that's the fees. 2376 is for our module 2 and 4776 is for our module 3. Then we have corporate grooming and culture. Again, it's a capsule session wherein we have 5 sessions and the amount is $499. 1 hour Zoom session. In professional communication में आप क्या सीखेंगे? Grammar correction, major grammar correction, subject verb agreement, tenses, prepositions, can, could, may, might को कैसे use करते हैं correct sentence बनाने के लिए. Fluency. How can I have fluency in the thought process? अगर मुझे English में बात करनी है तो मैं fluency कैसे लाऊं? Fluency in the thought process, fluency in your expressions. Idioms कैसे use करते हैं? Good words कैसे use करते हैं? How to give presentations. Presentation for the interview, presentation for the companies and GDs. आजकल बहुत सारी companies GDs करती हैं because GDs are the best way to filter the good candidates. Are we saying that we are bad candidates? No. वो bad candidates हम ना हो इसलिए हमने GD session आपके लिए रखा है. So this is your program details, guys. And again, go back please. Again guys, these are the best price. Price को secondary रखना. What is more important कि आपको जो information मिलेगा, knowledge मिलेगा. As I said, सूरज की तरह बनना हो तो आज सूरज की तरह पहले जलना सीखो. थोड़ा investment करना होगा, थोड़ी मेहनत करनी होगी, थोड़ा time निकालना होगा. Yeah, next slide, Abhishek. That's a module 1. Module 1 आपके लिए हो सकता है, अगर आपके लिए नहीं है then आप अपने friends को बता सकते हैं. Module 1 are for people जिनको English बिल्कुल नहीं आती, जो सिर्फ हिंदी में बात करते हैं. उनके लिए हम ये सिखाते हैं. Grammar, कैसे sentences बनाते हैं English में, कैसे अपने बारे में basic sentences में बात करना चाहिए, अपनी family के बारे में, अपने hobbies के बारे में, likes and dislikes. Accent, very important. अगर आप जाओगे interview को बोलते हो कि pleasure meeting you, pleasure, no pleasure. अब pleasure बोलना सीखना चाहिए हमको. So वहाँ पर हम accent आते हैं. Father से father, pleasure से pleasure, communication से communication, fluency, very important. अगर आपसे पूछे tell me something about yourself, at least आपको 5 sentences तो आना चाहिए बोलने के लिए. That will be told. These are specially for Hindi speakers. आपके friends है, family members है, भाई है, बहन है, girlfriend, very important. Girlfriend. I will want my girlfriend to speak in English. Yeah, okay, great. Next module, please. Module 2 उनके लिए है जो थोड़ी बहुत इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, ब्रोकन इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, तो उनके लिए भी ग्रामर करेक्शन होगा, लेकिन उनका जो ग्रामर करेक्शन होगा उसका बेस थोड़ा ऊपर होगा. एक्सेंट इन डिटेल, एग्जैक्टली इसमें आप कैसे बात करते हैं, प्रोनाउंसिएशन कैसे ठीक रखना चाहिए. वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर आप देख रहे हो कि मैं भी वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन यूज कर रहा हूँ. वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन, हाय हाउ आर यू, वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन, आई एम गुड. फ्लुएंसी फर्स्ट लेवल में 5 sentences, maybe 10 sentences. Second module में at least you will be able to speak 15 sentences. Conversation English आपको सिखाया जाएगा, जिसमें आपको ये बताया जाएगा greetings कैसे करते हैं, अपने family के बारे में, likes, dislikes, how to say thank you, directions कैसे पूछते हैं English में, restaurants में कैसे पूछते. That's module 2. Module 2 उनके लिए है जिनको बहुत अच्छी English नहीं आती. Next please. Module 3, that's my favorite module guys. Module 3 उनके लिए है जिनको इंग्लिश आती है बट फ्लुएंसी नहीं है, कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, अच्छे वर्ड्स नहीं बोल पाते हैं. उनके लिए दिस मॉड्यूल इज एग्जैक्टली अ चेरी ऑन द केक. नो सर, ये चेरी ऑन द केक क्या है? चेरी ऑन द केक मीन्स बहुत ही दमदार एंड एडेड मॉड्यूल है उनको कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स के लिए. Yeah,
I think this is the one that will be for the college students mostly, because it has interview skills and corporate skills.
Yes, we have fluency in thought process and corporate skills. बहुत important है guys. Job मिलना, चलो मिल तो जाएगा, हमारे ट्रेनिंग के बाद चलो जॉब भी मिल गया, but sustain करना भी आना चाहिए. How to work in team, मैनेजर से कैसे बात करते हैं, कॉलीग से कैसे बात करते हैं, even the gatekeeper at the gate उनसे कैसे बात करते हैं. That you will learn. Interview GD, resume, very important. Professional communication, how to communicate in business setup, business meetings, presentation skills, corporate skills, networking. Networking बहुत जरूरी है. corporate में कैसे करते हैं, that's also skills. We will tell you. एक लेवल में तो काम नहीं करना है हमेशा, बढ़ना है आगे, काम अच्छा हो very good, but लोग ना पहचानते हो not very good. So there comes your corporate skills. कैसे बोलते हैं, कैसे दिखना चाहिए, कैसे स्ट्रेस में काम करना चाहिए. And this
Sorry to interrupt you there, Dev. Guys, this is the module 3, which is for us.
Yes.
Yeah, this has fluency and corporate skills as well. Yes. Devashish, would you like to take them to the other payment terms?
Please, Abhishek, next slide. That's about the program, guys. Level 1 is only 99 rupees per session. Level 2, 99 rupees only. Now, Dave only क्यों बोल रहे हैं? Because 99 rupees हम इधर spend कर देते हैं. सब्जी खरीदने में, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने में, रिक्शा में, रिचार्ज करने में, नेटफ्लिक्स में मूवीज देखने के लिए हम चार्ज पे कर देते हैं. So level 1 is 99 rupees per session, which is including GST. Level 2 is again 99 rupees per session. Level 3 is again only 199 rupees per session. Again, money is not important. सीख रहे हो, great. नहीं सीख पा रहे हो, take your money. Please take your money. We don't want your money. But the point is, at least थोड़ा तो आप दिमाग में लाएं कि let's do it, guys. Okay, and then up to you. I will not force you. Okay, now, first 3 sessions you करके देखो. अच्छा लगेगा, which I'm sure अच्छा लगेगा. Then you can pay the whole amount. That's the amount, level 1. Once you like it, after 3 sessions, you pay the whole amount, which is 2376, including GST, no extra amount. 2376. Level 2, 2376 again. Level 3, 4776. That's the whole course amount. And अगर आपके कोई references है जो corporate में training कराना चाहते हैं, then there's a different discounted amount. That's the program. Now, if you pay right now, what is the benefit? If you pay right now, you get the discounted amount. Yeah. Just go back for a while, Abhishek. Yeah, that's the program schedule. We are starting from 13th of July. Agar aap available ho, great. Nahi available ho, let us know when you are available. Exams chal rahe hain. You book it. Book kar lo. Hum aapko pareshan nahi karenge exam tak. Lekin after exam मैं आपको परेशान करूँगा कि आप करना है, guys. So 13 July is the date. 12 to 1. 5 days a week. Good network थोड़ा जरूरी है because Zoom है. थोड़ा good network. थोड़ा बहुत अच्छा network जरूरी है. मैं भी तो देखूं मेरे students कैसे दिखते हैं और आप भी तो देखें आपके trainer कैसे दिखता है. Yeah. Platform Zoom. That's the program schedule. Discount. If you pay right now, 1, you get discounted amount. Second, you get a free capsule session. Free capsule session means 5 session के अलावा you will get 1 more capsule session on professional grooming by a grooming expert. आपको जो questions है उसमें पूछिए, जो tips लेना है ले लीजिए, use जितना use कर सकते हो 1 घंटा जितना हमें use कर सकते हो कर लो. We are all yours in that 1 hour. That's a free capsule you are getting. Be a part of the first batch. It's फर्स्ट बैच का एक अलग ही मजा है, एक अलग ही चार्म होता है. आप फर्स्ट बैच में आइए, आपको डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस मिलेगा. इफ यू आर नॉट पार्ट ऑफ द फर्स्ट बैच, यू विल नॉट गेट द डिस्काउंटेड अमाउंट. वी हैव द पेमेंट मेथड. आप पेटीएम के थ्रू कर सकते हैं. अगर आप पेटीएम के थ्रू नहीं करना चाहते हैं, देन हमारा कंपनी डिटेल्स, कंपनी अकाउंट की डिटेल्स दिए हुए हैं, अकाउंट नंबर, IFSC कोड एंड द बैंक नेम. यू कैन पे द अमाउंट देयर एज वेल. सो माय फोन इज रेडी. That's my number. अगर आपसे मुझे आपको अगर मुझसे बात करनी है, then आप इसमें भी फोन कर सकते हैं. आगे चल के एक और नंबर होगा, वहां भी बात कर सकते हैं. Let's talk. But पेटीएम करना हो तो आप इस नंबर पे अभी कर सकते हैं. You can do it right now. I will not force you. You are smart enough. You're intelligent enough. You can PTM me right now, and we will definitely help you.
Sorry to interrupt you again, Dev here. Just wanted to ask you. I hope that modules सबको clear हैं. So there are 5 days के modules, and there are these 24 hours के modules भी जो 1.5 महीना चलेंगे. But that is अगर आपको एक proper change, deep change चाहिए, right, and a lot of grammar correction and everything, तो फिर आप उन modules के लिए करें. Otherwise 5 days में polishing चाहिए interview पे जाने से पहले या grooming में. So you can do 5 modules. देव ने एक बात और कहनी थी, which is कि live classes के साथ साथ आपको pre-recorded sessions दिए जाएंगे. आपको assessments pre-recorded दी जाएंगी जो आप अपने pace पे करते रहेंगे, right? और जो सब हमने किया है उसको revise करते रहेंगे. So you will be given pre-recorded sessions along with that. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's continue, Dev.
That's our contact details, guys. That's our Facebook. Facebook mein we will definitely want you to follow our Facebook. Okay, if you want, join us. We will be happy to be a part. I will be happy if you are part of our family, which is the Camp Training Services Facebook. That's our email address. That's the first phone number. That's the second phone number. You can call me anytime. I'm available for you guys. That's our company's website. अगर आपको हमारी कंपनी के बारे में और जानना है, then you can do it. You can share it with your friends. Tell them who we are and what we do. Any questions? Your dream job does not exist. You must create it. Wow, that's so true. हमें जॉब घर पे चल के कभी जॉब नहीं आएगी, हमें वो जॉब लेके आना है. Life is like a playground, guys. हमारे पास बॉल्स आती रहेंगी, हमें दुनिया बहुत कुछ दिखाएगी, अपॉर्चुनिटीज आती रहेगी. जैसे एक अपॉर्चुनिटी अभी आपके सामने है, अगर आप ले लेते हैं परफेक्ट, नहीं लेते हैं नो प्रॉब्लम, बट क्रिएट योर डेस्टिनी. Any questions?
I would also like to ask any questions, anybody? You can make the payment right now or later. And modules के बारे में, if you want to know anything, then a link will be shared with you. जिसमें a mail would come to you, जिसमें सारे details होंगे about all the modules. And we would be calling you. Our team will start calling you. आपको phone करेंगे इस webinar के बाद, अगर आपको और कुछ पूछना है और कोई बात करनी है, so आप उनसे बात कर सकते हैं. These are our contact details. Abhishek, yeah, these are our contact details. जिस नंबर से आपको मैसेज आए थे या मेल में भी हमारे नंबर्स हैं, so you can call up if you have any concerns and you can talk about them. And I would request, आप कुछ लोग आए हैं, yeah, there were 100 people जिन्होंने register किया था. Never mind. अब आपकी जिम्मेदारी है, if you have liked it, first please tell me in the chat box. I would like to ask for Dev. Did you like it? Dev ने जो सब बोला, क्या हमें समझ आया? Did you like this? In the chat box, I would like you to put your responses, please. Okay. Anybody else? Tribhuvan, Kajal. Okay. Then अब आपकी जिम्मेदारी है, if you have liked it, please talk to your friends. आप अपने कॉलेज में अपने फ्रेंड्स को बताएं कैसा था. I'm not saying anything, बस ये बताएं कि आपको कैसा लगा ये इंटरव्यू सेशन का एक सैंपल, एंड उससे क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट होगी, आप ये बताएं प्लीज अपने फ्रेंड्स को. That's all. With this, I will take your leave. Thank you, Dave. You can continue, or I think we are done. Okay. I think we are done. So thank you so much. Our team will be calling you. Otherwise, you can also call us. Thank you, people. I hope to see you soon. Thank you, team. We can end the meeting, please. Thank you, Nehal. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Vicky, for your response. Great experience.